Hey everyone, Adam here. Thank you for joining me for another recipe video. Today we're going to be making a really nice vegetable casserole dish. So it's really straightforward. It's lots of different vegetables chopped up, put into a large pan, simmered with a nice tomato sauce, and that's pretty much it. So what I love about it is not only is it really simple to make, but it's also super healthy, and it's a really warming meal that you could just have anytime. It's also great for leftovers as well. So let's get started. So these are the vegetables that I'm going to be using in the vegetable casserole. You can use whichever ones you like, just be aware that some will cook quicker than others. And we're also going to be parboiling the sweet potatoes and the new potatoes separately, again just so that everything cooks evenly. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make the sauce, the tomatoey sauce. I'll put all the quantities in the description box below so you can follow along. So now that all the vegetables have softened, we're going to add the garlic. Anna swears by this. Wizard's Magic Mint Chocolate. I can't say I've actually had any yet, but I hear good things from her. Vegan friendly, 1% sugar, high in fibre, gluten free. Give it a try. Okay, so this is the final dish. I hope you can see that alright. So I'm going to try some. Yeah, I just love how you could just put all these different vegetables together and just enjoy this really nice tomatoey dish. We added some additional herbs at the end just to bring out the flavour a little bit more. But it's really nice, and I definitely encourage you all to just try it. But that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and got something out of it. If you did like it, please hit the like button and subscribe as well so you don't miss out on any more recipe videos. And I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Thanks for watching.
Where's Puppet? Where's Puppet? Chinhead? Maybe if I shake this bush. Puppet? Puppet! I found a cat.